All right, this is my salmon, teriyaki salmon and rice I make. We have the avocado spray, the Lori seasoning salt, of course. Then we have the garlic powder, the onion powder, and some black pepper, and a little bit of sriracha because I like it spicy, and a little bit of sweet baby rays because that goes on anything. And got a little soy sauce and a teriyaki sauce. I like a thicker teriyaki sauce, but that's all I have right now, so we're going to use that. I already seasoned up my salmon and I have it in my ceramic pot, and this is a pot I got from Amazon, and also the utensils I got from Amazon. And I sprayed the avocado oil in there, and my stove gets really hot really fast, so it's not going to take that long to cook this at all. So here we have some glory greens that I cooked yesterday. I seasoned them up a little bit, and I have some leftover rice. So we're just going to utilize these greens so nothing goes to waste over here, and it's healthy and good. So we're just going to do salmon and greens. And so I flipped it over, and it's cooking really fast. It doesn't take long at all. But we got to cut in here and see if it's actually done. And it looks like we can keep it in there a little bit longer because I need my meat to be well done, my love, well done. We're not doing no rare salmon over here. Not trying to get E. coli or some salmonella poison or nothing like that. We got to make sure it's done. It's done. Yeah, that part. Yeah, so I got my little fork. I couldn't flip that over, so I had to stop the tape and flip that over. So now I'm adding the teriyaki sauce. As I stated before, I love the thicker teriyaki sauce with the base, but this is all I have, so we're just going to use this and put a little sweet baby rays in there to thicken it up. As you see, I love to cook, and I'm cooking healthy meals. I can eat salmon all the time, so I bought actually 4 packages of salmon, and I bought 3 boxes of the instant rice. And I had these greens in my cabinet forever, so I finally decided to put them to use. Yeah, so we trying to be healthy over here, and I think I'm Nigerian or something, because I like it spicy. You know what I'm saying? I keep getting back to my roots. So yeah, it's looking really good and tasty and yummy. You all should try this. Definitely a must try. So yeah, this is piping hot. See, I got my ceramic bowl, about to put that in there, and yeah, have me a little lunch / brunch on this Mother's Day. Yep. It's piping, smoking hot. I'm going to drain out some of that water in there as well. Yes, so it's time for the grand finale. Yeah, so this is so good. It was so delicious. I thoroughly enjoyed it, and I recommend you all trying this, even with just the canned greens, or you can put broccoli in there, and I'm adding that good sriracha. It's so delicious. Got my water and my lemon juice. It's gonna go well with my meal. We gotta be healthy. With my new infused gemstone glass, pour it up to the top and top it off with the lemon juice for a little flavor. Just a little splash of lemon juice. Make sure it's nice and tight. Shake it up. I am the plant lady. My coworker said, "Are you the cat lady?" And I said, "No, I love flowers." And she said, "Oh, you the plant lady?" Yes, I love a good flower decoration. Here's the moment of truth. Let's see how good I did. I can guarantee you anything with teriyaki sauce and sweet baby rays is going to be absolutely amazing. Mix it on up. This was actually my first time trying it with mainly these greens and without that rice, but it was absolutely amazing. And I'm actually going to try this again without the rice, and it's very healthy, very tasty. You know, you don't have to clean any greens or anything. All you have to do is season those glory greens up a little bit, and yeah, enjoy. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And bon appetit, and be blessed, and always keep the Most High first. Bye.